Hey guys, my name is Sam with KC Lawns, and today I'm going to show you the 3 ways that you can start your trimmer. Okay, first things first, this is going to apply to any trimmer. Most of these buttons and the choke and everything, pretty much the same. Okay, so this is the cold start. This is whenever it's cold out. You have a start button that you push right there, and then you're going to take the choke, and on these Red Maxes you flip up. If it's a still, there's like this little orange knob that you twist. Find the primer. It's just this little rubber deal, and you're gonna push it in 3 times, and then you're gonna let it rip. Once it starts up like that, then what I typically do is I rest it on my knee. I will kind of take it and then I will rev it to warm it up, and then you're set to trim your lawn. Boom. All right, the second way to start your trimmer is going to be a warm start. This is going to be if it's not cold out in the morning. Push that start button. You're going to choke up, and then you're going to take it and you're going to rip it. Warm it up, and you're set to go. Okay, the third way to start your trimmer is going to be what's called the hot start. And this is whenever it's like blazing hot, it's 100 degrees, and the stupid thing isn't starting. Typically, you've already choked it and it's just not starting. You're going to be giving gas to the trimmer when you start it. And not a lot, you're not gonna hold it down, but you hold it down and then let off, kind of feather that gas. Hold it down, pull it. And that right there is the hot start. Quick pro tip is that whenever you are pulling this is that you don't need to yank it, yank it, yank it. Even the weight of the trimmer itself is like enough. Okay, you gotta hold it stronger than that. Come on now. Pro tip on the warm start is that if you're doing a warm start, be sure to get that knee out there and then balance it to where it's in the air, because if you don't, you're gonna scalp the heck out of the lawn. That right there is the 3 different ways to start your trimmer. If this video was helpful, be sure to like it so other people can see it. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe.